They let me go. They let me go. They let me go because I was not meeting their expectations. What were their expectations? They changed weekly, if not daily. They even said I was not connecting with the customers and other employees. Seriously? I tried. I asked about their day. This usually results in an extensive illustration of how she stole my boyfriend or descriptive detail about their most recent summer adventure. Although some stories have been entertaining, I'm not a therapist, and yet some people still feel compelled to tell a whole life story. Finding a new job has not been easy. Even though everything is digital, companies still want a paper resume and cover letter. Since each job is different, you have to write a whole new cover letter every time. It's so time-consuming, and so far, the results have been poor. I can't believe I was actually let go. It wasn't even my fault. Maybe he said I'll finally find a job.
Thomas, are you late? Mom needs you to run errands for her. I'm moving around and go outside. Why don't you go touch some grass?
Would you shut up? I was just about to leave.
Hey, wait, I never told you what to get for Mom.
They're so annoying. Who do they think are trying to tell me to run errands? How? They'll have much better things to do.
It's almost 10.
That was so weird. I used to have a dream I was hit by a car, but it felt so real.
Mom needs you to run errands for her.
Why can't you do them yourself? Wait, you asked me to do the same thing in my dream.
Thomas, enough of the games. Mom really needs your help, and we both know that you have more than enough time since you were let go from your job.
Thanks, but I did need the reminder.
Here, Mom made a list for you. Please get dressed and run these errands as soon as possible. Mom really needs your help for some odd reason.
Newsletter, you're not funny.
Excuse me, what's so funny?
What do you think? It's you that I find funny. Thinking that if you wave your little coach hands in front of me, you'll get some free handouts? Yeah, sorry bud, that's not happening. Why don't you get a job like the rest of us?
Why don't you learn how to treat others with kindness and respect? That's no way to treat someone. Even if they are homeless, that doesn't make you any better than me.
Well, if you feel like sleeping in the streets is not the life for you, you should really look into being a comedian, because you've been cracking me up.
You can make fun of me all you want, but at least I know the karma that comes my way is only good karma.
If it was good karma, you wouldn't be homeless. Oh, brother, this isn't good.
Thomas, you need to get up soon. I have a list of errands Mom made for you.
Okay, Macy, I know you're gonna think this is a joke, but I'm being dead serious.
What is it now, Thomas?
I don't know how to explain this, but I think I'm stuck in some time loop, and I keep reliving the same day.
Are you seriously trying to pull some Groundhog Day excuse to try to get out of running errands? Nice try, but that's not going to work on me, and it definitely won't work on Mom.
Macy, I'm being serious. I literally have no reason to make this up.
Right, and that sounds exactly like something you would do. Stir up trouble for your own personal gain. Not today, Thomas, not today. Ugh. Not today. I'm going to Sally's to pick up some lunch. Do you want anything?
Actually, is there any chance I could tag along with you? After our mom's errands?
You have 3 minutes, then I'm leaving.
What would you like to order?
Hi there. Is there any chance you could order some food to go, please?
Yes, of course. If you'd like to head up to the takeout station, someone will be able to help you out there shortly.
Thank you.
Oh great, we're gonna be stuck in this line for hours.
You seriously complain about everything?
Well, if I'm not pointing out these things, who will?
No one, and that's the way it should be. Why can't you just be peaceful and quiet for once?
That's because peace and quiet are words that are not in my vocabulary. Sorry, not sorry. Can this chef hurry up? I think we moved an inch in a time span of 30 minutes.
Why, oh why did I let you come along with me?
Excuse me, can you please tell your chef, whoever's back there, to pick up the pace? I've been in this line for almost an hour. I'm probably gonna faint of starvation soon.
Did you just walk in maybe 5 minutes ago?
Excuse me, I'm the customer. Were you ever trained on how to properly speak and assist a customer?
I don't know.
If you have a problem with the wait time, why don't you go to McDonald's or Burger King?
Clearly, you're too impatient for an establishment such as Sally's.
My only problem now is the chef who is wasting their time when instead they could be cooking, so this line does not reach the other end of the hemisphere.
That's it. You and your friend need to leave now.
My pleasure.
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead.
What was that for? Who are you to try to tell me to run errands?
Mom does need you to run errands. How did you know?
I told you, this day's repeating.
Still not cool. I'm telling Mom.
I do not want to deal with this right now. I should probably get someone to eat. Sally's does sound pretty good right now.
Any change to spare?
I thought I already told you, get a job.
What would you like to order?
Go give me a coffee.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I said, are you deaf? Or go give me a coffee.
No need to be aggressive. I appreciate the way you're speaking to me.
What's going on here?
It seems your waiter is too incompetent to give me a cup of coffee. I am the customer. Were you ever trained on how to properly speak to and assist a customer?
Christina, I promise I was trying to be attentive.
Please lower your voice, sir, and I would appreciate if you would not speak to my staff with such disrespect. If you have a problem with the wait time, why don't you go to McDonald's or Burger King? Clearly, you're too impatient for an establishment such as Sally's.
Ow! What was that for? Are you crazy?
That's it. Get out. Never want to see your face here ever again.
was saved. That person saved me.
Wakey, wakey.
Get out!
Hey, okay, jeez.
I don't understand. Why does this keep happening? I keep repeating the same actions, but just a little bit differently. I see the same people, have the same interactions, then it ends. How? What did I do to deserve this? Is there something I'm missing?
Spare change.
Wait. Not now. I'm trying to figure something out. Wait, why did I come out here again? I'm not even hungry.
Here you go. I hope this helps. I know this may not be what you really need, so what do you need?
I need a place to sleep, a roof over my head, clothes on my back, and a good steady job.
Do you have any family who can help you out?
Well, I was married, but I made some foolish choices that caused me to lose it all. I lost my wealth, my home, my family, because I gambled my life away. I wasn't happy and discontent and thought that if I got more money, I would be happy. So I gambled and got lost in the lie that if you keep playing, you eventually win. I didn't. I ended up losing more than I won. Sorry, you didn't ask for that. It just happened to me, and I hope no one else has to go through that.
I'm sorry.
Like you said, it's your own fault. You made those choices, and it brought you here. Only you can get us out of this mess, so stop begging for money.
Wait, excuse me. That wasn't very kind.
It's the truth, right? The truth hurts, doesn't it?
No, watch out!
Don't be afraid, Thomas and Eliza. I'm an angel outside of time.
Why are you here?
You both are here to learn a life lesson.
Do you know how to end this time loop?
I put you two in this time loop, yes. But I'm also here to help you return to normal time. I have been watching over you two for a while now, and both of you have bad habits. Eliza, you are so selfless to your own detriment. It is impacting your commitments to others and your work. Thomas, you need to learn to treat others with respect, kindness, and compassion. Otherwise, you'll keep repeating the same mistakes over and over again and live a life of anger and discontent.
This could be a good change for the both of us.
I'm fine with the way I am. I'm not changing for you or anyone else. Fine. I'll give it a try. But if it doesn't work out, I'll figure it out on my own.
Don't be so hard on yourself. You can succeed, but it will take hard work and effort. The good thing is that you don't have to do this alone, and your life will drastically improve if you remember and practice these things.
Sure, why not? There goes nothing.
Now that's the spirit.
What did the angel say? I need to... can't remember. I need to show kindness, respect others, and show compassion. How do I do that?
Spare change.
I need a place to stay.
Yes, I'm gonna need you somewhere to live.
Why don't help me find a place to live?
Can we talk about it over a cup of coffee?
I would really appreciate that. I'll show you the way.
Hi, what would you like to drink?
3 coffees, please.
Okay, anything else? We're having a deal on our muffins, buy one, get one free.
No, thank you, but I appreciate it.
Okay, let me go grab the cups. Here you go. day.
You too.
Sir, wait. That's so kind of you. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you.
Trust me, you deserve it. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? That was crazy meeting that angel. Can I share with you what I remember? I remember the angel telling me how I care so much about others and I disregard my own needs. I took a look at my life to see where I needed to change to still make time for others, but make time for my responsibilities. Were you able to practice what the angel said?
Yeah, I was doing medicine. Before I meet Angel, I treated people so horribly. I was mean, angry, and cared only how I can get what I wanted. I didn't appreciate the things I had, and always wanted more. I looked down on others, as if I was better than them. I'm not. In fact, I need to treat others how I want to be treated, by showing kindness and respect towards others. This includes being patient with myself, others, and being content in the moment no matter the circumstance. I'm still hopeful about getting a new job. I'll be patient until then.
Wow, it seems we both will grow from this experience. Anyone can. You just have to open your heart to change.
What is the pattern of your life?